Blockchain technology simply explained for beginners. In today's video, we're going to focus on the complexity of blockchain technology, breaking it down for beginners and getting into its potential to transform industries worldwide. Get ready to get into the exciting world of blockchain, where it's all about transparency, security, and decentralization. Does blockchain technology confuse you? Because I'll be honest, it confused me for my first few years as a crypto investor, but it doesn't have to be confusing. As you're going to find out after watching this video, you don't need to know the ins and outs of the technology and be an expert on software or anything, but as an investor, I feel it's important to understand the fundamentals of blockchain, and this will improve your confidence as you start your crypto investing journey. To explain blockchain, I'm going to cover 5 topics, and this will include the most important information you need to know. Topic 1, what is blockchain? So what exactly is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger, a chain of blocks where each block contains a list of transactions. But here's the thing, the important thing, it's decentralized and secure. No one person or entity controls it. Instead, it's distributed across a network of computers, making it transparent and resistant to tampering. This technology is a revolutionary innovation that is transforming the way we conduct transactions, exchange data, and even run businesses. Basically, how we do everything. Let's look at the security of Bitcoin, for example. Each Bitcoin is stored on a block, including mathematical code and a timestamp in very simple terms. And each Bitcoin is connected to the next one in a chain. There are currently just over 19 million Bitcoins in circulation. To hack the network, you would have to hack 19 million connected Bitcoin blocks. So you can see how secure the network is. Topic 2, how does it work? It's good to have an idea of how it works just so you get comfortable with the technology. We've all grown up with the traditional banking system, and many people are scared off by blockchain technology. Just imagine a banker is the middleman who verifies every transaction we make, like at the supermarket or when you buy a Starbucks coffee. Blockchain replaces the banker or intermediary, as they're also known. This makes the transaction more efficient, costing less in the process. When someone initiates a transaction, like transferring cryptocurrency, it's grouped with other transactions in a block. Miners then compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle to validate and add the block to the chain. Once added, it's practically impossible to alter previous blocks, ensuring a secure and tamper-resistant history of transactions. Topic 3, key components. 3 key components make blockchain tick: decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Decentralization ensures no single authority has control. Transparency is achieved through the public ledger, and immutability means once a block is added, it's there forever. Let's dig into decentralization, as it's a big one. Just look at the current financial system. This system is centralized as it's controlled by governments and central banks. When you look into the system, it's broken because of incompetence. Just look at the financial crashes, recessions, periods of high inflation, market ups, market downs, uncertainty, fear and doubt that we all have to try and navigate our way through. The fact that Bitcoin is decentralized means that governments and central banks can't mess things up, like increasing the supply, for example, like they do with the money printers. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that is open for all to see, and this is transparency. Anyone with access to a particular blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, can view and verify the information recorded on it. Imagine finding out exactly how our governments spend our tax money. Zero chance, and absolutely zero transparency. The 3rd key component is that the blockchain is immutable, meaning that all records cannot be changed and are irreversible, so another major plus. Topic 4, real-world applications. Blockchain started as money. It was originally just about cryptocurrency, enabling peer-to-peer cash. As time has gone on, it isn't just about cryptocurrency. It's transforming industries, from supply chain management to healthcare, finance, and even voting systems, Blockchain is enhancing transparency, security, and efficiency across the board. Just look at all the use cases on Ethereum's blockchain. You have smart contracts, and this is Ethereum's major use case for me. Imagine signing for a house in the future. This could well be done on the Ethereum blockchain without the need for intermediaries like solicitors. Then you have DeFi, decentralized finance, basically everything what a traditional bank does, but decentralized, and this is a positive we've covered in detail. NFTs like digital art, for example, gaming, and much more. What I would say is that we now need to see the theory put into practice and see how these real-world applications develop on various blockchains. I get the potential, but we all need to see it in action now as we start 2024. Topic 5, challenges and the future. With greater power comes greater responsibility. That might be a quote from a Marvel film, I'm not 100%. Anyway, blockchain faces challenges like energy consumption and scalability, but don't worry, innovators are tirelessly working on solutions, and the future looks promising, with potential applications in smart contracts, decentralized finance, and more. The crypto space has some of the brightest minds in the world working at improving cryptos and blockchains. Let's take energy consumption and use Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin uses proof of work, and this means thousands of computers around the world consuming huge amounts of energy. This is seen as a negative, but many Bitcoin miners are working hard to reduce its carbon footprint, like the fact that almost 50% of mining uses renewable energy sources like wind or solar power. For scalability, we can look at Ethereum. Ethereum has struggled with scalability in the past, but the team are trying to address this as they constantly look to improve, like moving to proof of stake with Ethereum 2.0, or the fact that layer 2s like Polygon are built on top of Ethereum's network. In theory, this will reduce gas fees and increase the transaction per second. There you have it, a little crash course in blockchain for us beginners. You don't need to go much deeper than that, in my humble opinion. A basic understanding of the technology is enough before you start getting into crypto investing. Then, if you want to go deeper and technology is your thing, you can. Please learn as much about crypto as possible. I invested without education back in 2017 and 2018, and it led to mistakes, painful mistakes. Educate yourself, then you can invest with skill. That's it for today's video.